Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add link to our TikTok bio. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application and then I'm going to go to my TikTok profile and I'm going to go to the add bio. Okay, and here we'll be able to add our link to this bio. I have copied my link and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, this is the link I'm going to add to my bio. And now the link has been added. And just remember guys that the characters in this bio is limited. You can only enter 80 character. So if you have a long link, you have to make it shorter. You can make it shorter with link shortener on the internet. And then you can click on save after you're done adding your link to the bio. Okay, and as you can see that the link has been displayed on my TikTok profile. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add a link to our TikTok bio. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.